Hello and welcome. This is part of our cybersecurity lab. In this video, we're going to download, install, and set up OpenSUSE virtual machine. If you Google OS boxes, this is the version I'm using. It's a prepared machine, OVF or OVA file, and I'm going to download that. So if you search OS boxes, OpenSUSE, then you will get to this page. And in this page, you have few versions. We have Leap, Tumbleweed, and we have also the OpenSUSE. The one we're using is this one. And the Leap is actually the one that's the complete and ready, the last version that was complete. And if you see the Tumbleweed, it's a continuous release and latest updates. But the one we're after is this. So you've got VirtualBox tab selected by default. So first thing you need to check VMware, and you will go to whatever version you have. I have 64-bit, and then click download. It downloads the file. It's a quite big file, so I've already downloaded that file. It's right here. The next thing I need to do is to extract it. So I have 7-zip, and if I extract that file, so that is now extracted. It has all these files, so the complete virtual machine. So I copied that content from here, and then I put it here. This is the folder name that I'm going to use. So what I need to do is run VMware Workstation and open that file location. So if I say file open and then point to the location. So here I have OpenSUSE Linux. So I'm going to choose that VMX file, open it, and then change the name to how I want it. So rename. But for some reason, I don't see any NIC card here. So I'm going to add a NIC card. So if you click on the settings, and then if you say add network adapter, and that network adapter, I want to connect it to a network, a VMnet1, and that has now a NIC card. So if we now boot a machine, and I've copied it, then we wait till this machine completely boots. If we now log in, the password is osboxes.org. So osboxes. So that's ready now. Okay, the next thing now to do is to configure the networking. So on the bottom left, if you click on network and if you click on YAST, then you can select hardware. So look for network devices or network settings. So if you click on that, this window opens. Okay, you might not have the interface here if you didn't add it there. So please add the interface. If you have it, then select it and then say edit. And it's by default statically assigned IP address. So I have a DHCP server on that interface. So I'm going to select, and I'm also choosing only IP version 4. If I want to change other things, then I will go to the general. Then you can do that. So here, DHCP all good. Next. And that's all done. So if you say OK, it tests the driver and the device configuration. If everything is all good, then we're going to go back to the terminal and check the connectivity. So give it for a few seconds. When that's complete, so that's now complete. If we now go to the bottom left again, and if we select terminal, and if we now check the IP address, if you say IP address, then you see it's now picking up an IP from that interface. So the NIC card here, it gets in a DHCP IP address. If we say ping google.com, that should have internet connectivity too. So thank you again, and see you in another video.